In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Cloud Code on your both Mac and Windows step by step. You will learn complete setup through cloud subscription and API. Whatever command we have used, we have provided in below description. Now let's get started. So guys, let's now proceed further. Now you can see that I provided you this in Cloud Code folder, this particular file. Perfect. Okay, so this is the file which you need to use. So let's say you're totally new to cloud, okay, and if you have never run it before, so you see this command for Mac. We have provided you this command, okay, you can see that. So you have to copy it carefully. Make sure don't double tap it and copy like this. Just copy it from like this. Make sure don't put any space in the front and the back. Just copy it like this. Just go to your terminal and paste it here and click on enter. Okay, but the same code you guys can see. Let's say if you just go and open your browser, let's say I just go here to Chrome, okay, and let's say you just go to your cloud AI like that. Okay, so if you already have the account, so let me just log in with my Google account like this. Perfect. Accept all cookies. Now I will simply go to open it. First of all, I can just go here to code. Now you will see this is the same command which is here. Okay, so that is exactly the same command I have put here as well for Windows users. Now for Mac, what you need to do is that you have to go ahead with two commands. First command, if first you have to run this command git. So first go to your this PowerShell, open this, and what you can do here is that you can just run like this git dash dash version, okay, like this. Perfect. Now here you can see command object not found. That means your computer don't have Git. Now this is procedure only for Windows users, okay, not for the Mac. For the Mac it's very simple. Just run this command, the first one which I told you, this one, okay, this command. This is the command you just need to run, okay, or you can just get the same command from here as well, curl, okay, but I am just now discussing about Windows. So for Windows, the first thing you need to do is to install the Git. So just copy it like this, okay, okay, perfect. Once you copy this, you can just go here, paste this command, click on enter, and this will just going to install the Git for you. Perfect. Okay, so you can say it's downloading. Let's wait. Don't worry, it won't take too much of the time. It's very simple, easy. Perfect. You can see it's almost done. Perfect. Yes, allow. And you can say it's installing the Git on your system, which is pretty great. Okay. After this, you need to go with this command for the Windows PowerShell. This one. Just copy it. You can also copy it from here like this. Okay. Copy it and then just go here. Okay, you can see it's installed. Now paste the second command, which is this one. Click on enter button, and now it will install this Cloud Code, okay, on your system. Okay, it will take few seconds. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait for it. And meanwhile, what we can do is that I can just cross it, okay, and I can also go ahead and create, let's say, a new folder here. Let's say I can say like Cloud Code 1, something like this. Click on enter, the folder is created. Now I will simply go ahead and open VS Code again like this, and this time I will remove this one. Just click on this file, click on open folder, go to desktop and select this one, select this folder. Perfect. Yes, trust the author. Okay, so this is the chat. Cross it, close it. Okay, and let's first minimize it. Okay, you can see it will automatically going to install the Cloud Code. Okay, sometimes it takes time. Okay, but don't worry, it will going to work for you. Okay, you can say it's installing it. It takes time, so let's wait for a few seconds till it is done. Then the last step will be to install the Cloud Code extension. Okay, so just imagine it like in the browser we have lots of extension that basically allow us to add more functionality to our, let's say, browser. So let's say if you go ahead here. Okay, so you can see installation is complete, perfect. But now let's say if I open Google Chrome, and you see here the option to add the extension. Wait, this is the extension. We can add lots of extension from the Chrome. So guys, similarly, for the cloud we need some extension. Okay, so that it work inside VS Code. So after you can see installation is complete, now what you need to do is that you just need to open your VS Code, go simply to extension, just search for cloud. So Cloud Code is the default extension. You can see Cloud Code for VS Code. Perfect. We just need to install it. You can also use other as well, like you have Codex by OpenAI that can also help you to do that. You also have it for Gemini. You can just search for it. You can see Gemini Code Assistant and much more. You might have also heard about Cursor. So Cursor we have here, Cursor Code. But now we will stick with Cloud Code. I will go to the first option. I will simply going to click on install button. Click on trust publisher and install. And in few seconds, this extension will be installed. And this particular step you also have to follow if you're on the Mac version. So just follow the only last step. Okay, you don't have to follow the Git one. You don't have to follow this one. Okay, install cloud one. Okay, these two are for Mac, but the last step you need to follow. Okay, just go to VS Code and install the extension. But Mac users, if they are the first time, they just have to follow this command. You can see I've written here as well. For the Mac and Linux users, have to go with this command. That's it. Okay, and you can see I will allow it like that. Perfect. And that's it. Now here, this is how it is. Now from the top, wait, let me just show you that. Okay, now from here at the top you will see something, this cloud extension, like that. Okay, you just have to click on it like this. Now it will give you two options. Okay, either to go with cloud AI subscription or Anthropic console. Now what does that mean is that to run this AI agent, either you need the cloud paid extension or you can use their API key. Now of course I have the cloud extension. If you will just go here, so you can see that currently I'm in the Cloud Pro plan, so I can go with the first option. If you want, you can also just go ahead to cloud and just upgrade your plan. Okay, so upgrade it. Okay, free version will not work. Okay, be sure about it. So free version won't work. You just need either pro version or max version. Okay, to go with the first option. Otherwise, what you can do is that you can just search for cloud console like this. Just go to the first link, platform.cloud.com. Just go here, click on accept all cookies. Go ahead and sign up with the same Google account. I will go ahead and log in with that. Continue. Perfect. You can just go with this individual organization. It's up to you. That's it. Now you can see begin building with cloud only for $5. You can see you can. So make sure either you use cloud API or subscription. You need to pay either one of them. Okay, so if you don't want to go with the Cloud Pro extension, you can just buy the API key. Okay, so you can just click on this API keys, make sure you generate the API key, but make sure that before you go ahead, please top up with the credit card. Just make sure first you buy the credits, and after you buy the credits, then only what you need to do is that you need to create the API key, and this API key you can use it. Okay, but now I already have the Cloud AI subscription. I will simply going to click on it. Okay, do you want to? Yes. Okay, open like this. It will load my extension. It will ask for the permission. I will click on authorize. Perfect. Build something great. You're all set up. You can now close this window. Perfect. I can now close this one like this, and you can see Cloud Code is right inside here, which is pretty great. Perfect. Okay, so that's how it works. Now you can just close it. Okay, perfect. Now if you will just go here, we have this C11 folder. I will just going to create a new file. Let's say it could be like, mm, let's say py, or anything. Okay, that doesn't matter when we are dealing with Cloud Code. So these things, doesn't actually matter a lot. Okay, but you can just talk with the Cloud Code and it will just going to do the tasks for you. Perfect. So that's how you need to set up, and I have just covered both of the version, Mac as well as Windows, what you need to do on the Mac, what you don't need to do on Mac. Okay, and also I've covered what to do on Windows. Okay, perfect. So I hope you guys till now have got the good understanding about this concept. Okay, now all you need to do is to chat with Cloud and it will create the project for you. I will show you one real practical example as well. Okay, so guys, hope you have set up it. Now what I suggest you is that you can just search for KuKu courses. Just go to this website, and in this website you will going to find other free AI agent and automation courses. So just click on the courses from the top, click on public to watch all the free courses. So you can watch Cloud AI course. Okay, it will include each and everything from chatbot to code and much more. You can check 11 labs course. You can go for open claw course, in video course, Notion course, Discord. You can even go to next page. Okay, let's say you want to learn about this let's say AI course for beginners. It's a 2 hours course. Just click on start course button and course will start without any problem. You can see perfect. So make sure that you explore this KuKu courses website as well. You will really going to love it, to watch lots of free materials from the website.